In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten your form URL in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Forms website. This is where you'll create and manage your forms. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. If you haven't signed in before, simply enter your login credentials to access your forms. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to find the specific form you want to share. Browse through your list of forms until you find the one that you'd like to distribute. Once you've located it, click on the form to open it. Next, look for the Collect Responses button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will lead you to the options for gathering responses to your form. Once you're in this section, you should see a checkbox labeled Shorten URL. Make sure to click it. This simple action will automatically generate a condensed link for your form, making it much easier to share with others. Shortened URLs are particularly useful as they take up less space and look cleaner, especially in chat messages or emails. After you've clicked the checkbox, you'll find a button labeled Copy Link. Click on this button to save the new shortened web address to your clipboard. This way, you won't need to type it out or worry about any mistakes when sharing it later. Now that you have the shortened link ready, you can paste it wherever you need. Open your Microsoft Teams application or go back to your email client if you're sending it that way. Simply paste the shortened link into the chat or email for your audience. This way, they can easily access your form without having to deal with a long, unwieldy URL. And just like that, you've successfully shortened your form URL in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick and efficient process that helps ensure your forms are shared conveniently and professionally. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and easy to follow. Happy form sharing!